How to fix Samsung Galaxy A36 speaker not working problem. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on sounds and vibration and then click on do not disturb. Now here you can turn off your do not disturb. If you turn on do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off do not disturb, then go back to the main page of your settings and scroll down and click on general management. Now click on reset and here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and then click on reset settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.